Are you a realtor who thinks off day means catching up on emails until midnight? Let's flip the script and turn those off days into power-ups for your career and well-being. First, let's acknowledge that downtime is essential. Schedule your days off just like you would any other appointment, and fiercely protect that time. Step 1. Network strategically. An off day is a golden opportunity to strengthen relationships. Attend local real estate events or industry meetups. Focus on building genuine connections instead of just pushing for leads. Consider grabbing coffee with fellow agents, or even volunteering at a community event to broaden your sphere of influence. Step 2. Invest in yourself with professional development. An off day can be a chance to level up your skills. Dive into online courses about the latest real estate trends, brush up on legal updates, or sharpen your marketing techniques. Read industry-related books or listen to podcasts during your commute or while relaxing at home. Knowledge is power. Step 3. Prioritize self-care. This is crucial for preventing burnout. Engage in activities that recharge your batteries. Meditate, exercise, spend time in nature, or pursue a hobby you enjoy. Remember, a healthy and happy realtor is a more effective realtor. Step 4. Reassess your goals and streamline your systems. Use your off day to take a bird's-eye view of your business. Review your progress towards your goals, identify areas for improvement, and tweak your strategies. Organize your workspace, update your CRM, and create systems that make your work more efficient. By incorporating these strategies into your off days, you'll be able to recharge, refocus, and return to your real estate business with renewed energy and a strategic mindset. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate tips.